Ready to level up your video intros and create something truly spectacular? First, let's get started. In Adobe Animate, the animation powerhouse, begin by opening a new document and setting your dimensions. We'll create something relatively simple here to keep it concise. Start by sketching out your desired animation. In Animate, focus on movement and character animation. This could be anything from a logo reveal to a dynamic text animation. Build your animation frame by frame, or use keyframes to define important points in a movement. Experiment with different easing options in the timeline to achieve smooth and dynamic motion. Use Animate's powerful drawing tools to create the elements for your intro, or import graphics and assets from elsewhere. When you are happy with your animation, export your file as a transparent QuickTime Move file. This will allow you to composite it seamlessly into other video clips. Make sure to select the alpha option in the export settings. This will ensure that the background is transparent so it can be added to other videos. Now, it's time to elevate your creation in Adobe After Effects. Open After Effects and start a new composition with the same dimensions as your animation. Import your exported Move file into After Effects and drag it into your composition timeline. This is where the magic happens. Use After Effects' various effects to enhance your animation. Apply effects like glow, blur, and color correction to give your animation a professional polish. You can also add lens flares, light rays, or other visual elements to further accentuate the motion or highlight certain features of your animation. Finally, render the finished product. Customize the render settings to ensure the best quality. You can then import your finished intro into any video editing project. Congratulations, you've created your own dynamic intro using the power of Animate and After Effects.